Hi Amina, it's Whitney, from second period science class. I hope you are surviving this heat okay. I wanted to touch base with you about a few things. I'm walking to class, so I figured I would call instead of text. Firstly, regarding our group project, I think we should schedule a meeting to discuss our research and delegate tasks. I definitely think Bobby might be a little bit of a slacker. So it's crucial that we stay organized to make the project a success. And if need be, show how Bobby didn't help. Let me know your thoughts and availability so we can find a time to meet up or connect virtually. Secondly, I recently came across an interesting extracurricular opportunity related to our science project. It's a local science fair where students can showcase their experiments. I thought it might be a great chance for us to gain more hands-on experience and potentially collaborate on something unique, or if we wanted to submit this project. If you're interested, let me know. I can send you the link. Lastly, I heard from Tommy there's a study group forming for the upcoming exam. Apparently this first exam is a hard one. I think it could be beneficial for both of us to join. If you're up for it, I can share the schedule with you. Yeah. That's all. You can text me back or call me back, whatever works best. See ya.